Hi everyone, Patrick, and today I'm coming to you from the Puez-Odle group of the Dolomites, which you might know already if you've seen my X100V Successor rumor when we told you when that camera will come, because that was also filmed here, and I also have some drone shots there. If you missed that rumor, if you missed that information, down below is the link so you can check it out. But today we're here to talk about the GFX100 Successor, and we will go to the core of it, because thanks to information provided to us by trusted sources, thank you very much, we can finally tell you which sensor it will use. Now, so far the biggest three speculations were either the combination between current 100 megapixel sensor, that's my GFX100S, so this sensor here combined with the 5th generation processor, or a 150 megapixel sensor, which would be basically an upscaled version of the 40 megapixel APS-C sensor, or a 100 megapixel stack sensor, which would be an upscaled version of the XH2S 26 megapixel stacked sensor. These were the hottest speculations, and I can tell you today that it's none of the three, because it's a totally new sensor, never used on any GFX camera nor X-series camera until now, because it will be a sensor developed by Sony, and that Sony has used so far only on, I think only on two of its cameras, the Sony a6700 and the FX30. So it's still a 100 megapixel sensor for medium format, 26 megapixel in APS-C, but it's a new BSI sensor that is faster to read out than the current BSI sensor that we have, for example, on the XT4, the 26 megapixel sensor, or also, of course, on the higher resolution XT5, XH2. So a newly developed BSI sensor, not as fast as a stacked sensor, but faster than the current version. And that will bring, in combination with the X Processor 5, several benefits, for example, in terms of rolling shutters for still, or especially for video, or of course faster autofocus thanks to the faster sensor readout and processor. So we can expect several benefits, but to see how this really performs in real life, we will have to wait September 12th, because that's when the X Summit takes place. That's when the GFX100 replacement will be announced, and also other gear will be announced, for example 3GF lenses, and who knows, there can be surprises. Fujifilm likes to surprise us on X Summits, and so definitely stay tuned on September 12th, but also before, because we will share as many rumors as possible ahead of the Fujifilm X Summit on September 12th. So that's it for this video. I'm now going back to my family, and I tell you this, like, if you think carrying gear is heavy, try to carry a 2.5-year-old toddler on your back for a couple of hours. That's next level stuff. That's next level stuff. Yeah. Okay, I'm going back and having fun with the family. I wish you an absolutely fantastic day. Goodbye and ciao.
Eins, zwei, drei, vier, fünf.